In the field, in production, in engineering, a year full of delivery. In 2025, we delivered together and grew together. Thank you to all our business partners. In 2025, we moved into our new facility, strengthening our production and service capacity. Throughout the year, we successfully completed 128 service works, with 62 ongoing projects, handling 190 works in total. In 2025, we delivered works across energy automation, RTU and communication systems, primary and secondary engineering, maintenance, service, and high voltage testing. In several areas, over 100 works were completed. We carried out 16 turnkey projects during the year, 4 were completed, while 12 are ongoing as planned. Within turnkey projects and other works, we manufactured a total of 1,786 electrical panels. In our laboratories, we performed over 3,000 analyses, supporting technical reliability throughout the year. Looking forward to building stronger partnerships and achieving more together in 2026.